This video I will explain most common Google Pay scams and how to avoid them. Google Pay is a popular app for sending and receiving money. But like all digital payment apps, it can be misused by scammers. You should know how these scams are work so that it will help you to stay safe. We will see what and all most common scams and how you can protect yourself. First one is a fake customer support scam. This is when scammers pretend to be from Google Pay customer support. They may call, message, or email you and claim that there is a problem with your account. They need your personal identification number, which is nothing but PIN or login details. And how to avoid it? Never share your PIN or OTP with anyone. Google Pay will never ask for your password or your PIN. Second one is request money scam. This is the common trick where someone sends you the payment request and says that they will send you money if you click pay. For example, they might pretend to buy something from you. Instead of sending you money, they ask you to pay them. How to avoid it? Remember, don't tap pay unless you want to send money. To receive money, you do not need to pay anything first. Third one is fake reward or lottery scam. Scammers send message saying you have won the cash prize, reward or gift. To claim it, you must pay a small amount or share your account details. How to avoid it? Google Pay does not offer free money in exchange for payments. Ignore messages that sound too good to be true. Fourth one is QR code scam. Scammers send you a QR code and tells you to scan it to get your money. But when you scan and enter your PIN, you end up sending money to them instead. How to avoid it? Only scan QR codes from trusted people or businesses. Be careful. Scanning a QR code can send money, not just receive it. Fifth one is a fake job or work from home scam. Scammers offers fake jobs or side income. They might say pay a fee to register, send payment to start earning money. How to avoid it? Never pay money to get a job. Real companies do not ask for payments to hire you. Now we will see the key tips to stay safe. Keep your UPI PIN private. Check the details before sending the money. Do not click on suspicious links or messages. Use Google Pay help from app itself for support. If you ever feel unsure, stop and think. Protecting your money is more important than being fast.